Let's play. Choose a picture, draw it, and your picture will magically come to life. Let's draw a hopping frog. First, draw its eyes. Now draw its head, a big oval. Great job! Now draw a big mouth. Draw an oval body. Draw hind legs. And now, the front legs. Fabulous! What a cute frog you have made. Check out how amazingly your frog leaps and croaks.